Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about 3 questions to ask before purchasing private flood insurance. So today we're talking about 3 questions to ask before purchasing private flood insurance. You know, we find that after so many people have purchased flood insurance, come to find out they can't even use it, or maybe their bank didn't accept it. So today we're talking about those 3 things to check. So before purchasing flood insurance, what you want to look for is the private flood insurance clause. This basically is called something like the 402C. It says this meets the requirements of private flood insurance. This means that it mirrors certain things with the National Flood Insurance Program, like cancellation policies, mortgage clauses, those types of things. The next thing you want to take a look at is wait periods. You want to find out what the wait period is on the private flood insurance, because it's got a special wait period in there. It may not kick in until after you need it. That's very important. The third thing to check with before purchasing private flood insurance are exclusions. You want to get a copy of what's called the policy jacket, and you want to look at things that are excluded. You want to look at how they define a flood to make sure that other things are going to be accepted. Like, for example, if someone's swimming pool breaks and water comes in your property, is it going to cover your property, or vice versa? Is your swimming pool going to be covered for repairs that are damaged by a flood? These are things to look for in certain exclusions. Additional living expenses. See if it's listed on there. Does it have a separate deductible? So these are 3 things to look for before purchasing private flood insurance. So if you've got questions about purchasing private flood insurance, what's the best option for you? What do you need to look out for? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help simplify your flood insurance and understanding your flood risk through education.